Today's video topic is how to get the most out of your workouts. When it comes to working out, many people want to get the most out of their time and effort. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or simply improve your overall health, there are several ways you can maximize your workouts. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your workouts. Number 1, lift weights. Resistance training is one of the most effective ways to build muscle and increase strength. By lifting weights, you create micro tears in your muscle fibers, which your body then repairs and strengthens. This can help you to burn more calories even when you are not exercising, as muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue. Additionally, strength training can help prevent injuries and improve your overall health and fitness. Number 2, eat carbs before working out. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy. Eating carbs before your workout can provide your muscles with the energy they need to perform at their best. Aim to consume a small meal containing carbohydrates and protein at least 30 minutes to an hour before your workout. Always choose complex carbs such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables rather than simple carbs like candy or soda. Number 3, drink water. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal performance during exercise. Water helps regulate your body temperature, transport nutrients to your muscles, and remove waste products from your body. Aim to drink at least 8 ounces of water before and after your workout, and drink water throughout your workout as needed. Number 4, get a good night's sleep. Sleep is essential for muscle recovery and growth. Lack of sleep can negatively impact your workout performance and slow down your progress. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep each night. 5. Try dynamic warmups. Dynamic warmups are a series of movements that prepare your body for exercise by increasing your heart rate and loosening your muscles. They can help to improve your flexibility, range of motion, and reduce your risk of injury. 6. Increase your protein intake. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Consuming protein before and after your workout can help to increase muscle growth and improve recovery time. Aim to consume at least 20 to 30 grams of protein before and after your workout. You can consume protein through food sources such as chicken, fish, and tofu, or through protein supplements such as protein shakes. 7. Focus on compound exercises instead of isolation exercises. Compound exercises are exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench press. Isolation exercises, on the other hand, work only one muscle group at a time, such as bicep curls or triceps extensions. By focusing on compound exercises, you can maximize your workout time and burn more calories. Additionally, compound exercises can help improve your overall strength and fitness. So these were 7 tips that will actually improve your results and help you get the most out of your workouts.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.